In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to edit Wix website before publishing. So first of all, we need to head over to the Wix dashboard, and under it make sure that you have selected your correct site which you want to edit before publishing. So this is the site which I want to edit. I have selected it. Now all we need to do is go to the home tab, and under it we need to click on edit site, and then it will take us to the Wix editor, and under it we can edit all things related to our site before publishing. But remember that make sure to select all of your devices before we publish your site, because this can vary depending on the device. Like this is the desktop version. Like if I switch it to tablet, you can see all the layout has been changed and this got messed up. So we just need to fix it according to all devices. So let me just put it right here, and now it's perfect. Now we need to publish our site. For that, tap on publish from the top right corner, and now our site has been published. We can see it by clicking on view site, and that's how you can edit your site before publishing. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.